Okay, this is JB KBRVE, and we're at Lost Dutchman State Park. We're about to take a hike on one of the trails, and we're testing out this GoPro for the first time. And we'll test out the Hyper Smooth. This is our terrain, Superstition Mountains. We're going to be going out there, maybe see the trail back there. Bring it down a little bit for the lighting. This is our campsite. This is our RV. It's about almost 11 o'clock, and I got some overcast skies, light clouds. We're going to take a quick walk, only about an hour, 2 hours maybe, and then come back for lunch. And talk to you soon. See you in a minute. Okay, back recording here. We're going to start our hike out of the campgrounds here. Just wanted to capture these birds here speaking to us. This is a campground. It's KB, and we'll test out Hyper Smooth here. It's Superstition Mountains. Okay, we just entered a trailhead. We're going to be going on, what are we looking for? Siphon Draw Trailhead, that's what we're looking for. There's a cholla. I forgot what they call those small cactuses. Usually there's squirrels growing up. Got these trees with green bark. Don't know what those are yet. Nice squirrel. Nice cholla. Trails are well marked. Someone took some time to put some stones here. Had to have been a youth group. Temperature feels like it's about 80 right now. Maybe just under 80. Restrooms, campsites, that's where we were just at. Someone left a bottle of water here. Usually do that because no one else is going to drink it, and they're going to use it further on their way back, wherever they went. So scenery. Visitor center is that way. We're going to go this way. Check out these steps here, see how well the Hyper Smooth is going to work. Just have to watch where I'm going. We'll get on the top up here and here's some signs. Venomous dwellers of the desert. Yuck. Okay, we'll be shutting this off until we get to our other trailhead, and see you then. Okay, we're going to be at Siphon Draw Trail. There's the restrooms. KB's going to lead the way here. Neat. We'll get by the cabins here and catch up a bit later. Okay, we're just crossing the road here, and we're going to be going on Siphon Draw Trail. Just show you the cabins here that they have. Really neat. If you haven't got your camper, see the tracks in here. Must get kind of soft when it rains. Other videos that we've seen have the same crunch to them. You can tell by the trail. Nice cacti. Scenery's gorgeous out here. We're going up a low grade. Keeps the heart beating. Okay, there we go. Okay. Back hiking again. October 30th, 2018. We're going to hike up. There's KB, and I'm JB. We're JBKB RVing, and this is Superstition Mountains, and we're on Siphon Draw, and this is our map. Lost Dutchman State Park. We're going up Superstition Mountains for a while to the, as far as we can get. It's 8:45 in the morning, and we'll just go along here a little bit. That really wasn't the start. It's a little ways east of one of the parking lot loops. To get a general idea of where we're headed. See the flat iron on the top. And we're going to be approaching up here the park boundaries, and it starts Tonto National Park. Superstition Mountains is in Tonto National Forest. And I'll pick up in a few minutes. The park boundaries are on the other side. Those people head. Walk in. Okay, we're back here. We're approaching the park boundary. This is the terrain. It's a little breezy right now, which is good. It's coming right at us. I don't know what it sounds like with the microphone yet. Here's the park boundary. State park boundary, end of it. And we started Tonto National Forest. There's horses in through here. We saw some yesterday. People coming. Talk to you later. Okay, we're back. Approaching a sign here on the trail, kind of showing regulations, leave no trace, safety issues, and this is where we're going up into a 360 here. So it's breezy this morning, which is pleasant. I'm glad it is. And looks like there's a camelback. Maybe the camelback or the Phoenix Mountains. there in a flat iron. Head right towards that sun and that high peak. Let's see how far we go up. Okay, we're a little bit farther up the trail. You can see the mountains look a little bit bigger, a little bit closer. There's Phoenix, looking west. Actually, I think this is west. And we'll turn around and look at our camper. Right in the middle of the screen. Don't really know how to do a close-up here yet. And Jacob's Trail is that way. You can see somebody on it over there. We took that way yesterday. And KB took off without me. Fucking. Okay, do a little bit more recording. Definitely I'm out of shape. She's so much lighter than me. Because, oh lordy, why am I so heavy? I can't catch up to her. She's got to stop. She did. Good thing she's got her camera here. She's away from me. It's breezy, as you can tell. Cut out the heavy part later on. Edit that out. It don't make sense what it is. Okay, we're gonna look up. Wide angle view here. And if I had a way to put level, this would be level. It's a climb. Something interesting we just come across. KP was taking a picture earlier here. This is some type of marker that somebody made. Maybe it's a Lost Dutchman that did this. There's some gold in there. Probably where the mine is at. Everybody just passes it by. KB found it. We're going to stake a claim. I'll do another video shot here. There's that one bluff. There's a path right there. That goes over to another adobe or something. Maybe he says, we're not going on that. So we're not going on that. Hey, here's looking down. Getting brighter because my shadow's getting smaller. There's Phoenix. And here's our path. The sun is kind of bright. Getting brighter. There we go. I'm back. I'll do some walking on this trail here so I can see what this is like. See if Hyper Smooth is working. You can set at 4K, 60 frames per second. Image stabilization is on auto. That doesn't necessarily mean here that it's on Hyper Smooth. May have to tone it down to 30 frames a second. We'll find out. It's really the only second day I've ever used this. It's hard enough to even know how to turn it on. Okay. Okay, KB says look at that little whirlwind up there. Got some people coming down the trail.
No, you can't
Just
see it.
met some. Yeah, it dissipated. I'll do another scan here of Phoenix. It's basically looking south. And pretty nice day, nice day to be doing this. We started out a little bit late. There was some people down there we just met. I walked up towards my shadow, just above them. You see them there in the dark. Turn here. Be shutting off because people come. Okay, do another video here, approaching a sign. If anybody knows what You know how far we went. Just look it up, straight up. We'll walk over to the sign. Oh, excuse me. Must be something in the air that I'm allergic to here. It's the wilderness sign. We just passed one sign back there. It's the Pizza Hut, 1,500 feet for about 22 minutes. Here's KB at this one. Must be the Pizza Huts up there. Looks like that's where the path goes. This is kind of nice. Another scan of Phoenix. And back to the path.